Hi everyone, welcome to BananaCrystal platform. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll be showing you how to make payments on the platform. On the dashboard, which is the left-hand side of your screen, locate where you have payments. Scroll to where you have these three options. Today I'll be showing you how to send payments. You click on it and you have this little pop-up screen showing you three options on how to go about it. The first option is receiver has a BananaCrystal account. The second option is invite receiver to join the BananaCrystal platform. The third option is to send via USDT and Polygon. My receiver has a BananaCrystal account, so I will just click on the first option to get started. Then it takes us to this page where we have to fill up the information needed. So first of all, I want to send 500 Naira. Then it will transfer to this. Then you enter the user's email address or username. Right, this is the vital thing to ask when you're sending a payment. When you type the username or email address, the name will come up. Then you click on it to get to continue. You add description if you have any. You add the reference if you have any. So you click on review. You go over this page again. It is essential you do that to ensure that yes, you're sending to the right person and you are actually sending the right amount needed. Then you click on submit. Then there's just one more step, okay? For you to be able to send this payment to this person, all you have to do is to confirm the transaction via your email. An email, a notification will drop in your phone or whatever device you use to receive your email. All you have to do is to click on the confirmation, and that is it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. The next video is on how to receive payments on the platform. It's quite an easy step. See you on the next one. Bye.